Hey guys, we are currently recruiting members for our tech team. So if you're interested in joining us to help us run lights and computer on a Sunday morning, you can see me after service, or you can kick me over an email throughout the week, dj@thecenterchurch.com, and I would love to get you on this crew. So stop by and see me. And we are also recruiting members to join the Center Coffee crew. So if you're interested in being one of our baristas on a Sunday morning, please again stop by and see me after service, or again you can send me an email at dj@thecenterchurch.com.
Hey church, these are fantastic times and great moments to be a part of the Center Church and what God is doing here. Hey, I've got two great dates for you to put on your calendar that you do not want to miss. On the 24th and the 31st of this month, we've got two very special men that are going to be bringing the word. On the 24th, our good friend Eric Tomier from USC is the campus pastor there for Chi Alpha. He's going to be here to challenge you. You don't want to miss it. The very next Sunday, the 31st, our very own Pastor Dalen Moore is going to be bringing the heat. Don't miss those two wonderful days, two powerful days. God is moving by His Spirit. Let's make sure that we're in line with that to see all that God has for us in these next days.
Hey guys, we're having so much fun at CCAM with our music and dance class, and we're excited to possibly add a new Zumba class for men and women. So if you're interested, please stop by the iBooth to sign up. We can only start the class if we have 10 or more sign-ups. So let us know.
Hey everybody, I'm so excited about all the great things that are happening here at the Center Church, and I want to take advantage of all of the things that God is doing with us. I believe that part of the reason why things are moving and things are happening is because of some of you guys that pray with us and are partnering with us in prayer. So with that, I want to invite you guys on the 31st, on May 31st, we are beginning prayer at the launch. So meet me at 10 a.m. on May 31st. I'll see you there.
If you're visiting the Center Church, welcome. We're so happy that you've joined us this morning. And if you want to find out any more information about our church, you can fill out a Get Connected card located in the seat back pocket right in front of you. You fill it out and bring it out to the Meet the Pastors tent in the after party right in the parking lot, where you get to meet our pastors, plus you get a free Center Coffee drink on us. Well, that's it for this week's Center News, but don't forget to check in on Facebook at the Center Church. You can also tag us on Twitter, #Center Church, or on Instagram at Center Church Life. And you can find out all of this information and a whole lot more on our website at thecenterchurch.com. I hope you have a blessed week, and we'll see you next Sunday right here at the Center Church.